I hear you out there, bird. I hear you. Where are you? Come up here. Come in the yard. Come where Miss Ruby can see you. Come and see this little old lady. Hello. How are you? Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello, world. Hello, London. Hello, Africa. Hello, America. Hello, birds in the backyard. Hello. Hello. Hello, Ruby Gems. Hello, Eric. Hi, Bethany. Hi, Patricia. Hi, Kay. Hi, Kingsley. Hi, Peace Boy. Hi, what's her name? Gracie. Hi, Lady. Hi, McKenna. Hi, Matinda. Hello, everybody. Hello, Yusi. Hello, everybody. Hello. Hello, world. Hello, Mother Africa. I'm coming. Hello. Hello, everybody. Happy Friday. Elmo been keeping me laughing. He's just cursing everybody out on TikTok. Hello. I tell you what, Miss Deer, y'all might can't see her, but I can see her. She's right over there behind that pole in the fence. Right over in there. She peeping her head out. It's the brown deer, the white tail. Now you can come over here, missus, but you're not gonna eat up my okra plants, my peppers, or my tomatoes. I'll show y'all my plants. I got them in a net. But I'll show you all my plants. But you are not coming over here and you are not going to eat up my plants. You hear me, dear? Miss Deer, Mr. Deer, and babies, dear. Not today, okay? But I love you. You're beautiful. Hello, beautiful. Hello, world. This is Miss Ruby. Oh, look, y'all see the hummingbird? Look at him flying. See him? I almost got a close-up. I missed him. He was right in there in the middle. He might come back. There you go. He took off so fast. That was the hummingbird. He comes every morning. I come out here. I drink coffee. The hummingbirds come. Now, after a while, the redbirds will come. The doves. And I'm like, I don't have anything to feed you. Aw. But they come anyway. They always come. I think birds are attracted to me. Okay, I think the hummingbird's gone now. They were right in between there. Right in between there. They go from flower to flower and they sip the little pulp, the sweet nectar that bees inside of plants, that gets all over the bees when they go inside of the flowers. Wow. They're green. And we got yellow finches. Yellow finches. They're yellow and black. There's a whole flock of them right over there. They come through too. But you know what? I think everybody's waiting for the feeders to come out because I do believe that these birds know that Miss Ruby is going to put the bird feeder back out when it gets cold. And I am, because I do it every year. But I didn't do it here. I did it in another city. And they know. Maybe they're following me. Maybe they are. Oh, wow. I got magic. I'm fascinated. I'm going to close this and do another video. Ciao, everybody.